Are you looking forward to purchase MLB ticket online? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily get the ticket of MLB. First thing first, move into any of the web browser and head over to ticketmaster.com. Once you've landed on this official page, tons of different tickets will be available to you. Simply enter the location and the dates available. Once you've selected the location and the date, here in the search bar you need to search for MLB. Tons of different shows will be available to you. Select a specific one. Let me choose the very first one. Wait for a while. Once you land on this page, if you scroll down, the shows will be available. Only one show is available in the state. Tap on Find Tickets. At the right hand side of the screen, select the number of ticket you want to purchase. Tons of different seats will be shown to you. Choose a specific one according to the budget that you want to. Once you've selected, tap on Reserve Tickets. After that, log in into your Ticketmaster account, follow the on-screen process and pay the amount. Once paid, your tickets will be reserved and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.